you come home, you don't know what's for dinner, do this. Grab 1 package of pre-mixed chop suey vegetables, bean sprouts, green onions, celery, carrots, daikon, radish in there. Or you can chop up your own. You can add green beans, whatever you want. 1 can of corned beef, whichever brand you prefer. There's the more meaty one with more texture to it. There's the, the usual one that we all grew up eating, corned beef and onion with, I'm adding some cilantro to add some brightness and freshness to that. A couple eggs for binding. And I like to use my own homemade, garlic salt. Hawaiian salt. And add some garlic powder, fresh garlic, and just put them in the oven a little bit, and there you go. You get your own seasoning salt. And then we're going to use our ulu, and what we're going to do is we're going to shred it up like this.
Okay.
And what we're looking for is roughly, I would say, about 3 cups of grated ulu.
Okay.
Yeah, 3 cups of grated ulu, and grate it. And see how easy it is, yeah?
Yeah.
To grate.
Nice.
And you can kind of see the texture. It's a little different than the fresh ulu, right? And it's because it was frozen. But when we cook it, it will totally reconstitute those starch molecules, grab each other and hang on and become all yummy, yummy. So the egg is just there to bind it, to hold it all together. Hey, you put eggshells in there, bro.
No.
Yes.
Well.
Woo!
I'm fired. Really to get that egg consistency throughout the corned beef.
Yeah.
Before adding in the ulu.
Yeah, exactly. And add your cilantro. Okay. And your
cilantro is so healthy for you too.
And here's the Thai. So then that's what you get, right? So I just kind of mix it up, and then throw my corned beef in there.
You go to it, you can go with your lima,
Yeah.
Like
and that's my favorite kitchen tool is my hands. The key to frying them is just let them go. Let them sit. Don't be in a rush to turn them. You should only turn it once and then it's done.
Okay.
So it's not a flip kind of deal. Okay, so now we're ready to turn. So yeah, you see how easy it is to turn it. You get a nice crisp on it.
Look, that is gorgeous.
Look at that. So now we just gonna let this sit here and do its thing. You always gotta, no need paper napkin, just bust out the tea leaf.
Right. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh.